Hey, Welsh Dragon Metals here, showing the Chartplotter that I've installed on my boat and the mounting for it, which is actually outside. So, kind of ducks, where's my position? There I am. That's my position there, that's my boat. Got to the wall, which is over there. The distance, which is 100 yards. There. So to Cardiff Bay, where I usually go. Over there, it is 1,000 yards, so about half a mile plus. 0.6 miles. No, yeah, mile, yeah, mi distance, yeah, miles. So to the wetlands where we keep getting stuck is a mile away. So this will be handy for avoiding them such things, since I have all the depths on here, as you can see. It's very handy. This is where we usually are, in these shallow bits. So there's the mounting. Comes off very easily. And I can use it that way as well. But it's not flipping right now because I've already set it to landscape mode. And there's the mounting. The outside, that's just literally velcroed on, but it's very velcroed on. So there's the Chartplotter and the Windy Ridge. Next time.